When you're trying to book with Celebrity Cruises, it can be a bit confusing because there are different kinds of fares, categories, and classes to choose from. So in this video, I'm going to help you break down the different fares, the different cabin categories, and the different classes and their benefits. Hi, I'm Angela from Grab Your Bags Travel. So when we talk about Celebrity Cruises and what cabin category will be best for you, the first thing we need to know is what kind of deposit are you willing to purchase? You have two choices, your refundable or your non-refundable fares. Your refundable fares will allow you to do just that, refund your money up until final payment date. Anything after that will follow a cancellation schedule. You would maybe want to do this if you want some more peace of mind and flexibility to cancel your reservation. Some people do book way in advance and unexpected events may come up. Now, the downside in booking a refundable deposit is that it does tend to cost more than Celebrity's other choice of a non-refundable deposit. And it is just that, a non-refundable deposit, but with that comes a cheaper fare. The only disadvantage, like I said, is that if you wanted to cancel completely, you lose your deposit cost. And if you wanted to change or reschedule your ship or sailing, you will be charged $100 per person for that change. So once you have decided what kind of deposit you are willing to do, you need to know what kind of fare you're going to have. And once again, Celebrity gives you a choice. You can choose your cruise fare only or the all-included option. The cruise fare only is the custom cruise fare option where you get your standard accommodations, your included food in the main dining room, in the buffet, some included drinks like water, coffee, tea, iced tea, entertainment and activities that they also include. There are often additional entertainment or activity options that you can pre-purchase on the cruise. Now, the alternative is to choose the all-included package. With that, you do get your cruise fare only accommodations and inclusions, and on top of that, you get the classic beverage package and the basic Wi-Fi. The classic beverage package will give you drinks up until $10 at the time of this recording, and then your basic Wi-Fi will allow you to check your emails, do very basic things with the Wi-Fi. Any type of streaming or video conferencing or Wi-Fi calling would need to be upgraded to a premium. The value of getting this package really depends on your personal needs and how you will take advantage of the packages. I'm leaving a link in the description to show you what you get in the classic drink package versus the other drink packages, the premium drink package. You can upgrade to the premium and even only have one person upgrade to save money. Now, when we're talking about getting value for your all-included fare, this is where I'm going to advise you try to speak to a travel advisor or a cruise specialist to help you with getting a really good price on your cabin. They can often get you special pricing on the all-included package and with a refundable deposit, sometimes with an onboard credit. So you really need to call to see what's available for your ship and sailing that you're interested in. And I happen to be a travel advisor. If you want some help, give me a call. Now, with Celebrity, they have their various cabin categories like inside, outside room, guarantees, accessible cabins, and some ships do have solo cabins. Not too many, but they do have them. But when we get into the balcony or veranda categories, there are many options for you to choose from. And again, this falls into one of the areas I see that people get a little confused as to what they may be. So here I'm hoping to once again break it down for you. So on all of the ships, you will find verandas that offer different categories that are based on the different locations. Obviously, the better locations, like more midship, is going to be more money than the forward or the aft. So one of the verandas you will find on all of the ships is the sunset veranda. They are located on the most aft part of the ship with the balcony facing the back of the ship or the wake. It happens to be my favorite part of the ship. I find the wake very calming. But you will also find the balcony be a little extended because of that end part of the ship. Then in 2018, Celebrity decided to change their verandas up a little bit. They introduced a new class of ship called the Edge Class, and on those they introduced some different types of verandas. The first thing you will notice is that it is very hard to find a traditional veranda with an outdoor balcony. That is because Celebrity designed their Edge Class cabins as infinite verandas. You may have seen many videos, many discussions about these infinite verandas as being controversial because it does not have an outdoor balcony space. It has brought the balcony inside the cabin. Rather, you have a divider that will open and close to separate the two spaces, and a giant window to look out and get the ocean breeze. Although this isn't a new concept, I know Avalon started these designs on their river boats, but it is a new concept for ocean cruising. If you are planning on sailing on an Edge Class ship, there are two types of verandas that will give you more of that outdoor traditional balcony. One is what we talked about earlier, which is the sunset verandas. They do still have them on the way aft part of the ship, and they are open balconies. So it is exactly like a traditional balcony. Or you could get a deluxe porthole view veranda. These cabins are mostly in the very front of the ship, and even though they give you the space to step out, you're still enclosed as you have a giant open circle that will bring the air, have you look out, but still not the open space like the sunset verandas or the traditional verandas. Okay, so now that we've discussed their different verandas on the Celebrity ships, now we need to talk about the different classes that Celebrity offers and their benefits. So Celebrity does give you the opportunity to book upgraded class offers, and so we're going to help you break that down now. So the first one you can do is going into a Concierge Class. That is an upgrade from your regular veranda. It has regular size veranda rooms and balconies. It is better located, being on a higher deck, more of them. They do still have them on the aft and forward and mid, but it's just a little higher than the regular verandas. But the big difference is what they offer in far as benefits, and frankly, it's up to you if you find value in that. I don't think there's much of a difference. They've taken away quite a few of them. You do get a welcome lunch on embarkation day in the main dining room. It is a special time that everybody should try to get an early boarding time for, because you will be invited to go into the main dining room and have a nice sit-down lunch. It is a nice lunch for you to enjoy. You will also get your personal concierge, who will be located on board, and that's when that person will help you, is when you are on board. That person will also help you to give you priority reservations in both the main dining room and specialty dining if there are available spots for you to take. You also will receive special touches like welcoming sparkling wine, daily fresh food, and evening canapes. If wellness is your priority, then the Aqua Class really is something you should consider getting. These staterooms do get access to the adult-only sea thermal spa or Persian gardens, depending on what ship and class you are sailing. You will also eat in the exclusive Restaurant Blue, which is clean cuisine. And you will also have your spa concierge, which will help you with reservations. You'll receive complimentary fitness classes. You will receive fitness and spa amenities inside your stateroom, and so much more. It's the perfect retreat for those health-conscious travelers. The last class is Celebrity's ship within a ship concept called the Retreat. This all-suite section, which has its own set of different suite categories, offers the ultimate luxury experience. Guests will have a private sanctuary with a dedicated sun deck, lounge, and the exclusive Lumine restaurant. Plus, personalized butler service ensures every need is met. You get the premium drinks and the premium Wi-Fi included, and so much more. It's luxury redefined at sea. In fact, there's so much to discuss. I'm going to be making a video just about the retreat to help you understand what you will receive and what you will get with each category. So please subscribe so you don't miss that post when it's posted. I hope this video helped you understand Celebrity's different classes, their fares, their categories, and their benefits. Hit that like button, please, and don't forget to drop me a note in the comment with any questions. I appreciate you watching. Happy cruising!